Who's got the 6?
Who has the 6?
And you do have to hold it by the string.
Oh, Chris, you
Okay, so
started
Chris, you're
off.
gonna get a lot of action. Oh, you're
He's got
16 actually.
Oh.
Oh, he's got the middle and the third row. Does anybody have number 6?
Did you have number 6?
Ron, you have number 6? Oh, you do.
Yeah.
Ron's got
Okay,
6.
you're gonna start it, Ron.
Okay,
Let's hear it.
let's hear number 6.
Okay.
Let's hear number
Ron.
6. Go.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Two of them.
You. There, it's you.
Go.
Liz, it helps if you point to the numbers.
Does it? Okay.
Yeah, it helps.
And,
Chris, do you see your 16 right there?
Yes, yes.
Let's start again from the top. Let's do it from the top.
Okay. I'll be the counter. Ready?
oh.